You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. Another, we are going to discuss the solution of the TIFR GS Chemistry 2026 examination. This examination for taking the admission in the research field, the MSc and PhD. Okay. In this video series, you will get a solution of the questions of this question paper completely based on the concept clarity and the thinking ability. And in this question paper, the mostly questions completely based on the concept clarity and the thinking ability with the analytical skill. So now start the question number 2. In the previous video, you will get the solution of the question number 1. And now start the question number 2. In the question number 2, they are asking about the point group of xenon oxofluoride. In this question, a compound is given and point group is they are asking about the point group. Point group means it is completely based on the part of the chemistry that is the group theory. That is a group theory. In the group theory, you will study about the different types of the points groups on the basis of the symmetry and order. Okay, and in this question there are the 4 options are given according to the point group. So now start the solve question, and in this question compound is xenon oxofluoride. So first we will find the type of the geometry of the compound because of the according to the point group theory, you will find the point group on the basis of the geometry of the compound. Okay, so in this compound, the geometry of the compound is a square pyramid. You can find out with the help of the type of the hybridization of the center atom xenon. Okay, so square pyramidal geometry is the square pyramidal geometry. Okay, now the oxygen occupies the axial position. It is the very basic rule because of the in a compound there are the 2 types of the position. It is a axial position, and remaining or the equatorial position. And in a compound, when a lone pair of electron is present and the high electronegativity atom is present, when the both are present together, the on that condition which occupy the axial position and which occupy the equatorial position. According to this basic concept, we can decide the oxygen on the axial position because of the with the lone pair of electron when a highly electronegativity atom is present. In this compound, fluorine is also highly electronegativity and oxygen is the also highly electronegativity atom. In this compound, the axial position occupy the oxygen atom and the 4 fluorine atoms form the square basis. Okay, from the 4 square basis. So, position of the fluorine like that. Okay, and now the square pyramidal geometry, due to the square pyramidal geometry of the molecule with a unique substituent on the axis belong to the C4. According to the rules of our point group theory, the square pyramidal geometry. In this type of the geometry, a square pyramidal molecule with a unique substituent, and on the axis belong to the C4V point group. C4V point group on that side, and the point group is C4V, and match our answer with the given options. D4, C4, H. Okay, it is a horizontal and vertical. The right option is the C4V. Okay, it is the right option. You can solve these questions on the basis of the only concept. First, you will learn about the which point group is based on unique substance is present, and the unique substance, that means the unique substitution on the axis belong to the C4V point group. Thank you.